Hello friends, today you hair extensions with micro welding. How to do the process, I will explain it in detail. Our model has long hair. We will do a little more ombre style work. Its main color in dark brown tones. We are in between platinum so as not to wear out your hair. Yellow we will both grow your hair with welds and in between. We will ensure that there are yellows at the ends. When micro welding, your hair is in the shape of a frame. Thin. I separate one part. As you can see, the whole frame, front side, sides, neck. And the front. I separate it thinly in one way, because when we collect it is on the side, so don't show sources. And starting from the neck. One full and one empty. So we make one, we don't make one. First we separate the hair, one pinch. Not too thick. I'll buy it in micro source size. And as you can see, one plastic protector at the bottom of the hair. There is an apparatus, I wear it first, because the hair should not come to the bottom with heat, and as we said sticky, that keratin is a melting substance. It's plastic so it doesn't get on the hair and tongs can come to the bottom of the hair because the hair is hot. So to protect the hair, I put that plastic apparatus on the bottom of the hair and it keeps the hair from falling apart. After that, I hold the hair according to the output of the hair and the micro source of your hair. I put it on the top and heat it with tongs. Keratin melts because it's hot and right behind him after eliminating hair like this with my finger. Soft way. I'm making an auger, and as you can see in the bottom of the hair, each other almost homogeneously. Very clearly because it sticks. I'm doing the app here, then I buy one more. As you can see, I comb the hair according to the direction of exit. I hold that apparatus on the bottom and the protective apparatus. I hold it and put the micro source from the top. I'm doing it starting from 1 centimeter behind my hair. Friends, I don't stick it to the bottom of the hair. If you make it from the bottom more than the bottom, in the hair, it damages the bottom of the hair and it sinks. From behind the hair, at least. Applying micro welding from 1 inch 2 centimeters behind. Here, you need to heat. Immediately after doing, touch with your finger, stick it on the hair and do auger immediately. You need to be fast here, because when it gets hot and cold, it stays there. So immediately for the hair to stick homogeneously. Make it like an auger to disperse together. Need to do the shaping process. I'm leaving one blank here to get a natural look. I'm making one keratin, so I don't do all of them at once for one order. Here you use very dense hair. We can do it in one row, but when I do a lot of empty, both because natural hair blends in between, we will have a more natural look. As you can see here after putting it on the hair, I heat with a heat machine. I'm waiting a little. After adding it, I immediately touch it and I'm doing an auger process by hitting the hair.
I make the hair stick well and finish my process.
Then as you can see, I hold the hair neatly. I separate it with my finger. I leave one blank. Then I get one, neither too thick nor too low, so as much as the pinch you will make. You need to get as much as a micro welding pinch. Too thick, and when you spare, you need to separate one thin pinch. If you separate too thick this time, it's sticky so keratin in the hair. Does not penetrate and hair does not hold. You will get bad 1T result. Pull the hair according to the exit direction of the hair. In a vertical way, neither down nor up. just like this, holding the hair in the direction of the exit and wearing it from the back. I don't wear it at the bottom of the hair. I'm scanning. I take my finger, I leave one blank, I don't do it to him. I'm taking the second. And I wear the apparatus here. It both prevents it from falling apart and your hair protects the bottom. Then I hold your hair as you see it. I put the micro source on the top, 1 inch or 2 inches behind. How much are you? If you do it a little further back, the hair will move more comfortably. And hair to the bottom of the hair does not hurt. I can use it comfortably, your customer. So to the bottom of the hair, it will move. In a way that, you need to stick the buttermilk, guys. Don't forget this. Wear it from the back of the hair. Don't wear from the bottom. Leave one space. I applied it as you can see from the beginning to the end. Now I'm wearing the last process as you can see with my finger. Backwards after installing the protector. I put it 1 inch behind. I applied the heat with tongs. This is a special tongs, micro welding tongs. Warms the hair at the end. And when the micro weld heats up, it is very comfortable for the hair. Can be installed as you can see. Blonde hair in neither too thick nor too thin tufts. We have worn it here without damaging both the hair. Starting from the neck up in such a gradual way. We apply it to the exit. We don't wear it to the top, friends, to a certain point. I wear it until, and then I'll go sideways. If you want to take this kind of action. If you want to grow your hair with micro welding, in Beylikdüzü of the place, can make an appointment and come to my salon to micro welding service. You can grow your hair with, as you can see, with blonde work. We have grown both micro welded without damaging the hair at all, as well as Omri Honey. We applied the work. You are this style one. If you want to make a transaction or a different one, if you want to grow your hair, micro welded, we can easily grow your hair. In the description part of my video, you can reach me on my social media addresses. Take good care of yourself. I wish you a good day.
İyi günler diliyorum.